Lianchhiari Lunglen tlang is situated at? Answer: Dung Tlang. The river Tut is a tributary of? Answer: Tlong River. Salam is equivalent to? Answer: Chhawpchhuak. In which year was the Young Lushai Association formed? Answer: 1935. A queen of fairy who is regarded as the guardian and maker of wild animals. Answer: Chongtinleri. The name of Lushai district was changed into Mizo district in? Answer: 1954. What does Mizoram mean? Answer: Land of Mizos. Ramhual was abolished in 1951 during the time of Dash, Superintendent of the Lushai Hills. Answer: SN Barkataki. The Mizoram University was established in the year? Answer: 2001. The custom of Mithiroplam belongs to? Answer: Lushai only. A kind of insect used as mandrake to predict the character of future partner. Answer: Laksang. Who was the first governor of Mizoram? Answer: Hiteswar Saikia. The Superintendent of Lushai Hills, who wrote about the early life and history of Mizos in his book Lushai Chrysalis, was? Answer: A.G. McCall. And there are how many seats in Mizoram State Legislative Assembly? Answer: 40. When was Mizoram a union territory? Answer: 1972 to 1987. Economy of Mizoram is mainly based on which sector? Answer: agriculture. The United Mizo Freedom Organization UMFO was founded on? Answer: April 9, 1946. According to which amendment of Indian Constitution, Mizoram became 23rd state of India? Answer: 53rd Amendment. The guardian of the Mizo bride on her way to the bridegroom's house is? Answer: Loichal. Murlen National Park is situated in which district of Mizoram? Answer: Champhai. Lawkpui Wildlife Sanctuary of Mizoram was established in which year? Answer: 1990. Konglung Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in which district of Mizoram? Answer: Lunglen. How many national parks are there in Mizoram state? Answer: 2. Hlawkpui in Mizo traditional society relates with? Answer: Zolbuk. The Chin-Lushai Conference 1892 was held at Calcutta during? Answer: January 25th to 29.